Dale, tráeme un pañal. Tráeme un pañal. Córrele.
Welcome back. We're visiting with Carrie Miller, a medical assistant. And Carrie, people throughout the area are wondering, why did you decide to become a medical assistant?
Well, I just needed a change of direction in my life, and I love helping people, and so it just made sense for me and my family.
And as I understand, healthcare is a growing field right now.
Definitely. We're always looking for new people to hire, and it's constantly changing.
And you told me earlier that you're glad you went back to school to get the education you need to start this career.
Definitely. Without my education, I wouldn't be where I am, and I get to help people every day. I get to make them feel better. I'm so glad I made that decision, and I love what I do.
I bet you do. Well, Carrie went back to school to get the education she needed to compete in today's competitive job market. And you can too. Call Brown Mackie College. Here's our contact center where admission support representatives are waiting for your call. Make the call that could change your life. Pick up the phone and call. During the next break, we'll be talking with John Morales, who got an exciting job in the legal field. Stay tuned.
Thank you. Okay. Acuéstate. Acuéstate. Cabrona. Sí sabes, ¿verdad?